Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your own HTML code into Squarespace. Whether you're looking to customize your site with buttons, forms, or even something more advanced, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly place HTML in the perfect spot on your Squarespace website. So let's jump right in and set you up to make your site truly your own. Alright, first things first, we need to get into Squarespace, so head over to squarespace.com and log in with your account details. If you already have a website set up, great. Otherwise, you can select or create one from your dashboard. It's important to start from here because all the customization happens inside your site's editor. Once you're in, click on your website. This will take you directly into your site overview. From here, look for the Edit button. Usually it's up in the top right, but it can depend on your version or theme. Clicking Edit puts your website into editing mode, so you'll be able to make changes live right on the page. Don't worry, changes aren't permanent until you save or publish, so it's a safe space to experiment. Now let's find the exact section where you want your HTML code to go. Hover your mouse over the section. Maybe it's your homepage banner, a special announcement area, or even just a blank spot you want to jazz up. You'll see little plus signs or options to add new blocks pop up as you hover. This is Squarespace's way of letting you choose exactly where new content will appear, like stacking new building blocks onto your site. When you've got the spot just right, click Add Block. Squarespace gives you a bunch of options here: text, image, video, and a few special ones that let you plug in custom code. You might notice there's both embed and code blocks available. A lot of people wonder which one to pick, but for most straightforward HTML inserts, the code block is your best friend. It's simpler, handles raw HTML, and makes it easy to paste exactly what you need without extra formatting interference. Go ahead and click on the code block. Now you'll see a little box appear in that section. If you double-click inside the box, you'll open up the source code editor. This is where you'll actually paste your HTML. It might look like a blank space or a small pop-up at first, but don't be intimidated. This is your sandbox for custom code. Now here comes the magic moment. Just paste your HTML code right into that editor. Maybe it's a button you got from another website, form code from your email provider, or a custom section you've written yourself. Once you've pasted it, the block will update and show you a preview of how it'll look right on your page. Take a second to make sure everything looks good. If you make a mistake or paste the wrong code, Squarespace will usually show you a little error message, so don't worry, you can always undo or adjust. That's literally it. Once you're happy with the changes, save your edits. Your custom HTML is now embedded in your Squarespace website, and visitors will see it live. So I hope this walkthrough helped you get comfortable with adding HTML to Squarespace. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and if you have any trouble or questions, drop a comment below. I read everyone and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials to help you build your best website yet. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing.